Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to GM Publishers and the book which we are doing today, Maths of Prep Class. Students, today we will do an activity about thick and thin. Open the page number 14 of your book. Match thick and thin things together. We can see a thick book and a thin book. Now match the thick and thin things together. Yes, the big, wide one is thick and the small, narrow one is thin. Now look at the pencils. This thick pencil is fat and big, and this thin pencil is small and slim. Let's match the thick pencil with thin pencils together. Very good, students. Very nice. Look at these brushes. This one is thick and this one is thin. Thick brush, thin brush. So, match the thick brush with thin brush. Here are two logs. One is thick and other is thin. So, match the thick log with thin log. Students, now tick the thick things from the given pairs. Tick the thick book, tick the thick candles, and tick the thick brush. Very good. So students, thick means big and wide. Thin means small and slim. You all did your activity very well. Let's say together thick and thin, thick and thin.